Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, just wait. So, we are discussing about equation 6. है ना? Just wait, wait. I am taking a screenshot for your attendance. Yes, I am sharing my screen. Okay. You are visible screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, हम लोग कहाँ तक थे? 5 और 6 में. On putting the value of equation 5 in 6. So, in this case, we can write x is equal to gamma. Value of x dash is given in equation 5. So, here we can write the equation 5 plus this v t dash. So, again I will repeat v t dash. On solving this equation, we have got t dash is equal to this t dash is equal to gamma t minus x by v into 1 minus 1 by gamma square. Equation 7. Now, on putting the value of equation 5 and 7 in equation 4, here, equation 4, equation statement of equation 4 is x square minus c square t square is equal to lambda x dash square minus c square t dash square. So, on putting the value of equation 5 means the value of x dash and equation 7 means the value of t dash in this equation 4. So here x dash minus c square t square is equal to here alpha sorry lambda, the value of x dash is gamma into x minus bt. So here square is given here. So here we can write gamma x minus bt whole square. Sorry, gamma square x minus bt whole square. So this part is written here minus c square t dash square. So c square is given here and t dash, the value of t dash is given in equation 7. So this value is gamma. Here t dash square is also given. So here gamma square, I have written gamma square. Here c square gamma square into t minus means here part t minus x by v 1 minus 1 by gamma square whole square, because here t dash square is given here in equation 4. So this part is written means equation value of equation 5 and 7 are put in the equation 4. So this equation is come. Now x square minus c square t square, here this part is come in this direction. Uh, uh, x minus bt whole square means a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here lambda gamma square x square minus 2 Vx into t plus, on solving this, plus Vt. We are taken Vt as a b. So here v square means v square t square. So this part is written here. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. अबुल कलाम अनम्यूट करो. अबुल. Plus here plus lambda this part, on solving this part here, a minus b whole square. Again we can write this part. On solving this equation we are getting this equation. Just wait. X square minus c square t square is equal to, minus lambda gamma square. Here x square minus 2bx tx, 2bx t plus b square t square plus this part, lambda c square gamma square. This a t is suppose a and this part is b. Again here a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here t square we can write t square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2xv into 1 minus 1 by gamma square plus b square. B square means this part is b. So here x square divided by b square 1 minus 1 by gamma whole square is equal to 0. This is equation 8. Equation 8. The coefficient of various powers of x and t. The coefficient of various powers of x and t must vanish separately. So equating coefficient of x square to 0, then we can write 1 minus this part, 1 minus alpha here, 1 minus alpha gamma square plus alpha c square gamma square divided by b square, 1 minus gamma, 1 minus 1 by gamma whole square is equal to 0. After writing equation 8, we are writing a language. In this language we can write the powers, regarding powers, the coefficient of various powers of x and t must vanish separately. After writing of this language, we can write here equating coefficient of x square to 0. Then this equation will come. And here 1 minus gamma whole square, square plus this part is again a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 1, 2ab 2 into 1 divided by gamma square plus b square means 1 by gamma whole square. So 1 by gamma to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now 1 minus lambda gamma square plus here lambda c square divided by b square. This gamma square is written here. So gamma square into 1 gamma square minus 2 into gamma square. So this gamma square will cancel. So rest part is 2 plus here gamma square into 1 gamma square divided by gamma to the power, gamma to the power 4. So after cancellation of this gamma square, rest part is 1 by gamma square is equal to 8, means equation 9. Again, equating coefficient of xt is equal to 0, xt is equal to 0, then in that case we can got lambda 2 gamma square plus b plus this part will come. On solving this part, we are writing here 2 gamma square v minus 2, you can solve this equation. You got 2c square gamma square by b, 1 minus 1 by gamma square is equal to 0. So on solving this equation again, we are getting v square minus c square gamma square plus here c square. This c square is equal to 0. Equation 10. Similarly, again putting coefficient of t square is equal to 0, then we are getting this part, and this part can be after solve we are getting lambda v square minus c square gamma square plus c square is equal to 0. 11 10, sorry 11 11, equation 11. From equation 10, from equation 10 and 11, equation 10 and 11, we have this lambda, yeah, this part will cancel, so this lambda is equal to 1, equal, then in then equation 10 can be written as gamma is equal to, gamma square is equal to, yeah, or gamma is equal to 1 by root under 1 minus 1 minus v square upon c square. Equation 10. Equation 10 can be written in the form of gamma is equal to 1 by root under v square minus 1 minus v square by c square. Again, I will repeat this yeah, solution. After getting the equation, sorry, equation 4, when combining equation 1 and 2, when combining equation this 1 and 2, then we are getting x square minus here x square minus c square, sorry, this equation x square plus y square plus z square minus c square t square is equal to lambda x dash is into x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square minus c square t dash square. Here lambda is undetermined constant. If the velocity of s dash is along this x-axis, from symmetry we can write y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash. Y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash if the velocity of s dash is along x-axis. Now from equation 1 and 2, from both these equations we can write x square minus c square t square, because here we are taking y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash. So according to both these equations we can write x square minus c square t square is equal to here lambda and x dash square minus c square t dash square. Equation 4 in previous class means when we are talking about Galilean transformation, then in that case according to the Galilean transformation we know that transformation equation relating to x and x dash axis, x dash is equal to gamma x, gamma into x minus bt. Now equation 5, in equation 5 gamma is independent of x and t. suppose the motion is relative. The motion is relative. So we assume that the S, hello, 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 पंकज आवाज जा रहा है? हेलो,
यस सर।
आज हम लोग इस चैप्टर को यही रखते हैं, ठीक है? हम लोग अभी
ठीक है
लेजर
सर।
के बारे में कुछ, क्योंकि एग्जाम आ रहा है, उसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना?
ठीक है सर।
लेजर चैप्टर जो है उसके बारे में अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे अभी, क्योंकि एग्जाम आ रहा, फिर हम इसको कल रिपीट कर देंगे कल का क्लास में। ओके, नाउ यू आर ऑडिबल ना? योर नोट्स इज विजिबल? हेलो
यस सर।
ओके,
यस सर।
so suppose मान लो multiple choice questions are given. Suppose the wavelength of radiation of a helium neon laser is, there are four choice are given. Suppose there are four choice are given. The wavelength of radiation of a helium neon laser. Here, look in this figure. This is the helium neon laser chapter. Topic. So now in this helium neon laser, the wavelength is how much? How much wavelength is given here? Anybody tell? Anybody tell according to see, देख रहे हो ना तुम लोग डायग्राम को, एनर्जी डायग्राम को हीलियम नियन लेजर का? हेलो
सर 6328 एंगस्ट्रॉम्स।
Yeah, good. So in this internal exam, this type of question will I will ask. The wavelength of radiation, suppose दिया हुआ है, the wavelength of radiation of a helium neon laser is, there are four choice. One is 6328 angstrom. Suppose second choice is 6000 angstrom. Third choice is 5328 angstrom, and another choice is 5000 angstrom. So in this case, you will tick. You only choose 6328 angstrom, like this. This type of question will arise in your internal exam. Now emission, ध्यान से सुनो और हमको बताओगे। emission of photons due to transition of an electron from higher energy state to a lower energy state promoted by external energy is known as stimulated absorption. Second is amplified emission. Third is stimulated emission, and fourth is spontaneous emission. Again I will repeat this question. Emission of photons due to transition of an electron from higher energy state to lower energy state prompted by external energy is known as stimulated absorption, amplified emission, stimulated emission, spontaneous emission. कौन सा होगा बताओ? Emission of photons due to transition of an electron from higher energy level to lower energy level. डायग्राम याद करो। हेलो
सर स्पॉन्टेनियस इमिशन होगा।
stimulated emission, there are two or more than two number of electrons emitted when atom jumps from upper energy level to lower energy level. Then in this case stimulated emission will take place. Spontaneous में single emission हो रहा है फोटोन का, ठीक है? इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन रहेगा, हम कुछ कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, ये समझो, इसी से आएगा क्वेश्चन। The population of electron in different energy state of a system in thermal equilibrium, sorry, in thermal equilibrium is governed by the population of electron in different energy state of a system in thermal equilibrium is governed by, first choice is Bragg's law, another choice is Einstein's relation, third choice is Boltzmann distribution law, fourth is Wien's displacement law. Which one is correct? The population of electron.
Boltzmann distribution.
Yes, good. Boltzmann distribution law. बोल्ड पॉपुलेशन, जो समझ में नहीं, जिसको नहीं आया क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनो. द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन डिफरेंट एनर्जी स्टेट of a system in thermal equilibrium is governed by Boltzmann distribution law. For population inversion, Boltzmann distribution law क्या हो रहा है, इसको लिया जा रहा है. When हम क्या डिस्कस किए थे कि when atoms are taking in a container and the container is heated with a temperature, then absorption is stimulated and a spontaneous emission will take place. So in that condition, बोल्ट्जमैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ ये आया था. बोल्ट्जमैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ के आधार पर हम लोग प्लैंक कांस्टेंट को निकाला गया था, पॉपुलेशन इन्वर्सन निकाला गया था. बोल्ट्जमैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ याद करो. नाउ उसी तरह है द कलर ऑफ लेजर आउटपुट. ये रूबी लेजर है, देखो, जस्ट मिनट. या दिस इज द रूबी पार्ट ऑफ डायग्राम ऑफ रूबी लेजर. सो इन दिस रूबी लेजर द क्वेश्चन इज the color of the laser output. Here laser output, the color of the laser output in the case of ruby laser is violet, blue, red, green. The color of the laser output in the case of is violet, blue, red, green. Which one is correct? Laser output of ruby laser. बोलो.
रेड सर.
रेड, गुड, बहुत सुंदर बोला. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इसी तरह का रुको, हम क्वेश्चन अभी पूछते जाएंगे, याद रहेगा कुछ. द रेशियो, जस्ट ए मिनट. In the active medium of ruby laser, now you see the diagram of ruby laser. Here in this diagram, in the active medium of ruby laser, the percentage of chromium ions in aluminum oxide Al2O3 is, percentage of aluminum oxide is, first choice is 0.5, another choice is 0.005, sorry 0.05, third is 0.005 and fourth is 0.0005.
Sir, 0.005, 05.
0.05. Okay. Ruby laser is made by which metal? Hello, ruby rod is made by which metal? Hello, you are audible?
सर ग्लास रॉड.
Glass rod. Which type of material is used for making the rod, ruby rod? Anybody tell?
ग्लास रॉड.
एक ग्लास रॉड है, किस तरह का मटेरियल से बना हुआ है? बोलो बोलो। एल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड,
Sir, chromium oxide.
aluminum oxide, it is made by aluminum oxide, and some part of the chromium oxide is also mixed with the aluminum oxide. I think 0.02 to 0.5 इसी तरह परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड का। देखो नोट्स है ना,
Sir, 0.05.
है ना। अब फिर बना हुआ क्या, किससे बना हुआ है, एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड से, लेकिन उसमें क्रोमियम आयंस जो है, क्रोमियम मेटल भी ऐड किया हुआ है। तो क्वेश्चन यह क्या था, इन द एक्टिव मीडियम ऑफ द रूबी लेजर द परसेंटेज ऑफ क्रोमियम आयंस इन एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, क्रोमियम आयंस, तभी तो आंसर बोला है यहां पर कि 0.05। अंदाजित मारने से होगा है। चलो, द वेवलेंथ ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑफ रूबी लेजर इज, डायग्राम है रूबी लेजर, द वेवलेंथ ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑफ रूबी लेजर इज 6943 एंगस्ट्रम, 6328 एंगस्ट्रम, 6000 एंगस्ट्रम, 6333 एंगस्ट्रम। Which one is correct? The wavelength of radiation of ruby laser, wavelength of radiation of ruby laser is 6943 angstrom, 6328 angstrom, 6000 angstrom, 6333 angstrom. Which one is correct?
Sir, 6,943 angstrom.
हाँ, नीरज बोला ना।
नहीं सर, हम सिर है।
कौन, पंकज? रुको।
नहीं सर, हम सिर है, सिर।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक ठीक ठीक, चलो। गुप्ता बोला है, बहुत अच्छा बात है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कोहेरेंस ऑफ लाइट, coherence of light can be measured from, coherence of light can be measured from brightness of the beam, क्लास में coherence of light, हाँ, coherence of light can be measured from brightness of the beam, measured from, first choice is brightness of the beam, second choice is variation of spot size with distance, third is wavelength of the beam, and fourth is none of these. Coherence of light can be measured from, first choice is brightness of the beam, variation of spot size with distance, wavelength of the beam, none of these. Sisir?
सर वेवलेंथ।
No. Or
The brightness of the
brightness of the beam. This is the correct answer. Coherence of light can be measured from brightness of the beam. Just a minute. Now a 3-level laser system will, a 3-level laser system will be, छोड़ो ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, छोड़ो। For, वेट करो, जस्ट वेट करो। For a laser action to occur, the medium used must have at least, for laser action to occur, the medium must have at least 4 energy level, 2 energy level, 3 energy level. कौन सा सही है? For laser action to occur, the medium must used must have at least 4 energy level, 2 energy level, 3 energy level,
2 energy level,
3 energy level, 3 energy level. ठीक है. Now next question, the population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved. Question ध्यान से सुनो. The population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved. First choice, when one of the excited state is more populated than the ground state. When one of the excited state is more populated than the ground state. Second choice is when one of the excited state is less populated than the ground state. Another choice is when the population of one excited state and the ground state are equal. And last, none of these. ध्यान से सुना क्वेश्चन, समझ में आया कि नहीं? पहले बोलो यस और नो.
No, sir. Can you please
No.
repeat?
Okay. The population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved. Population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved. First choice is when one of the excited state is more populated than the ground state. Excited state is more populated than the ground state. First choice. Second choice is when one of the excited state is less populated than the ground state. Third choice is when the population of one excited state and the ground state are equal. And last is none of these. Population.
सर मोर पॉपुलेटेड, तो पहला वाला सर.
क्या है पहला वाला, हमको समझाओ.
सर मोर पॉपुलेटेड देन ग्राउंड स्टेट.
Okay, then population inversion will take place. ठीक है. Population inversion कब होगा? जब number of atoms कहाँ पर रहेगा? In the upper energy level. So in helium neon laser, neon atoms obtain energy. रुक जाओ, हमको I am going for helium neon laser. Now this is the diagram of helium neon laser. Okay, and now this is the energy level diagram of helium neon. Now in helium neon laser, neon atoms obtain energy. First choice is on collision with helium atom. Second choice is from electric field. Third choice is from chemical reaction. And fourth is none of these. Question पहले समझो. In helium neon laser, you see the diagram of helium neon laser and the energy diagram of helium neon laser. Here, according to the energy diagram, energy level of helium neon laser, this question will ask, in helium neon laser, neon atoms obtain energy on collision with helium atoms from electric field. First point is one on collision with helium atom. Second point is from electric field. Third from chemical reaction. And fourth is none of these. Which one is correct?
first on collision with helium atom.
Again repeat.
The first one on collision with helium atom.
अच्छा, कौन बोला जी?
Rabul.
Abul. Okay. Now next, Manmohan Asda. Manmohan. Pankaj Sahu. Pankaj.
Yes, sir.
Which one is correct? In helium neon laser, neon atoms obtain energy. First choice is on collision with helium atom. second from electric field, third from chemical reaction, and last is none of these. पंकज बोलो. सृष्टि प्रिया, सृष्टि, सुभाषिनी विश्वकर्मा, सुभाषिनी, सुभाषिनी सुबी, सुभाषिनी सुबी, क्या हुआ तुम लोग कोई नहीं कुछ बोल रहे, सो गए क्या मोबाइल ऑन करके? अबुल कलाम इस तरह, अबुल कलाम जो है वो सही है जो बोला. हीलियम नियन ले जाए, देखो तो यहाँ पर पंकज अनम्यूट करो. हीलियम एटम
Yes, sir.
किससे स्ट्राइक किया? नियन एटम से. देन नियन एटम टेक्स ऑल द एनर्जी ऑफ हीलियम एटम, देन इट जंप्स फ्रॉम एनर्जी लेवल E6 to E3. याद करोगे तभी तो नोट्स दिया हुआ है, फिर भी नहीं याद कर रहे. यहाँ क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा? इन हीलियम नियन लेजर नियन एटम्स ऑब्टेन एनर्जी. नियन एटम, दिस हियर, नियन एटम ऑब्टेन एनर्जी. फर्स्ट इज ऑन कोलेशन विथ हीलियम एटम. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट ही हमारा हीलियम एटम से स्ट्राइक कर रहा, तभी तो नियन एटम उसका एनर्जी को ले रहा हीलियम एटम का. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड यहाँ पर आ ही नहीं रहा, केमिकल रिएक्शन वर्ड नहीं आ रहा लेजर में. नाउ ये रूबी लेजर. इन रूबी लेजर population inversion is created by, in Ruby ledger population inversion is created by, first point electrical pumping, second point optical pumping, third point by means of chemical reaction, and fourth is none of these. Here again I will repeat the question. In Ruby ledger population inversion is created by electrical pumping, optical pumping, second question, second choice optical pumping, third choice by means of chemical reaction, fourth is none of these.
Sir, first electrical pumping.
Yes, optical pumping एकदम सही है. पॉपुलेशन इन्वर्सन हमारा ऑप्टिकल पंपिंग से ही हम लोग को मिल सकता है रूबी लेजर में. ओके, एक मिनट जस्ट वेट करो. हमको भी तो देखना पड़ेगा ना. अच्छा, अगर लॉन्ग टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा तो क्वेश्चन क्या रहेगा? Why is population inversion required in laser? Why is population inversion required in a laser? Another type of question is develop the theory of population inversion. Or what is population inversion? What is population inversion? ये भी आ सकता है. Third question, what is meant by stimulated emission? Stimulated spontaneous emission. Give necessary energy level diagram in two level system related to this phenomena. Now next question, derive a relation between Einstein's A and B coefficient related to laser transition. This is most important. Derive a relation between A and B coefficient related to laser transition. Now,